Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a dirty pour. I have 3 7-ounce cups here. I won't be filling them all the way to the top, but pretty much close to the top. I've already sprayed them with the WD-40 silicone spray, and that's the one in the black can. It's just to release the paint so it doesn't all stick inside the cup and we get to use it all on the canvas. Colors today are black, lamp black, sterling silver, this is a Deco Art in a jar paint, which is beautiful. Lucas indigo, Grumbacher cerulean blue, Creative Inspirations titanium white, and Lucas steel blue. All these paints are available on Jerry's Artorama. I'll put that link below in the video and the description. So I'm going to start with black. I get a lot of questions. People want to know what the difference between Mars Black and Lamp Black. Mars Black is a deeper black. It's more dense. And Lamp Black is a blue black, so it's not quite as dense of a black. So if you want something that's really black, you're going to want to use Mars Black. It's always good to know your pigment history of your paints, especially your whites and blacks, because there's different whites as well. So I'm just layering very little bits of color. And you can fast forward if you want. I'm deleting some of the colors off of my paint wall. I have 180 bottles of paint here. So I'm deleting some paints. The cerulean blue is one of them that will be getting deleted. So I'm using up some color today. This indigo is an absolutely beautiful color. Sometimes it pulls a little purple, which is fine. This is the Grumbacher cerulean blue. It's a very beautiful color when it dries. This is going to be the last of my round here. I should have enough paint to cover. Okay. Let me just slide these back so I don't get paint all over the bottles. Place my cups up here. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's swirl. One little S. Here we go. We're going to have a lot of black in this painting, just letting you know. Alright, so on your last cup, this is your placement cup, so you want to see where you want to go. I love this band I have going through here, so I'm going to avoid that. And this is where I'll be placing. And what I have left is pretty much black, so I'm going to flip the cup around to put the color on the top. See? It's on the top. I'm going to bring that through here. And the rest I'll just run along the edge to help with movement. Lots of pretty cells, lots of lacing. So I'm just going to move it around now and try to get all of this to connect. Once I have it all together, and I'll bring it back to the middle. And this is where I'll torch my first torch, just to get the bubbles out. I think I might have a little goober in there, sticking up straight. Oh, maybe it was a bubble. She's gone. It was a slow poke bubble. Alright. Let's start tilting. I love this patch here. I hope I can stretch that out. So let's tilt. Always bringing that paint back to the middle, so when you head to a corner, you're not getting zigzags. And sometimes you have to rock it just a little bit to get it all to flow together. Okay, one corner left. Not a lot of work for that one. Okay. I like to just let it flow and see where it's going to take me. Now you can see some of that blue, the indigo blue, did pull a little purple. See it there in the bottom? Right there. And of course over on this side. And that's what I like about that indigo. Alright, let me wipe my hands. And then we're going to go ahead and torch. Really liking this lacing through here, so hopefully she'll stay. Now all those paints did have silicone, so of course we have a lot of cells. Lots of them coming. A little stretch look here that I'm not happy with, but I'm not going to mess with it because it would just turn the whole painting to a whole nother look. Just getting my edge over here. There's just no way to straighten that out without pulling all of this. So we'll leave it. Yep, I'm going to leave it because it's pulling all the other stuff and I don't want to pull the other stuff. So that's it for this one, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell for notifications. Click like and share, leave a comment. Join us on Facebook for Barrage Posse with Christina Welch. We have our paints available through the group. They're a pretty good deal and been selling a lot. So check out our Etsy shop for jewelry. The Stone Coat Art Code resin code is below. How we mix our paints. There's 2 videos down below, one for the base, one for our bottled paints. And We have quite a few links below and our post office box. And if you want to donate to the channel, we do quarterly giveaways for that for our sponsors. So check out all those links and have yourselves a great day. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.